Everyone has periods of forgetfulness from time to time, especially as life gets busy. Memory loss is influenced by genetics, particularly in catastrophic neurological disease such as Alzheimer's disease. However, studies have revealed that diet and lifestyle have a significant impact on memory. Whether you are looking to sharpen your mind, boost your mental performance, or preserve your memory as you age, these tips can help you to improve your memory. So, the first tip is attention, a setting that enhances your focus while studying and ensures minimal distraction will increase your spans of concentration. Information listened attentively makes memory to work efficiently. Environmental noise decreases your spans of concentration. Second tip is organize. Organize the information in such order which is easy to memorize. For example, north, red, spring, east, autumn, yellow, summer, west, winter, green, south, blue. It's become easy to memorize if organized as east, west, south, north, red, blue, green, yellow, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Similarly, by making up stories, enhance your ability to memorize. Third tip is overlearning. Continuously studying the material again and again greatly helps to improve the memory, especially for those who become blank in exam because of anxiety. Overlearning also makes the retrieval very easy. Fourth tip is sleep. Sleeping after study is helpful and reduce interference. Staying awake the whole night before your exam is not a good thing. Fifth tip is selection. During study, selectively underline the words. If you are putting line under every word, you are not selective. According to Dutch scholar, memory is like a fisherman's net. It should keep all the big fishes and let the little ones escape. Putting the marginal notes to further summarize the idea and selection of book also plays an important role. Sixth tip is mnemonics. Mnemonics is a technique of making word pattern which assists in remembering something. Mnemonics help in recalling the large pieces of information. For example, 30 days has September, April, June, and November. Help to remember the days of month. Seventh tip is space practice. Break of few minutes after every 45 minutes is better than to study continuously for many hours. Try to improve the quality of study rather than quantity of study. Eighth tip is knowledge of result. Learning is facilitated when the learner receives immediate evaluation of learning performance. Feedback also helps to identify the material that need extra practice, and it can be rewarding to know that you have answered or remembered correctly. Ninth tip is review. Reviewing shortly before exam is helpful. This review should be an hour or so. Spending whole night in reviewing is not a good thing. Avoid to memorize new information just before the exam. 10th tip is recitation and rehearsal. The process of rehearsal means keeping item of information in the center of attention by repeating them silently or aloud. Recitation also forces to practice retrieving information as you are learning. When you are reading the textbook, you should stop at different intervals and try to remember what you have just read by summarizing it aloud. 11th tip is serial position. During memorizing a list, it is common tendency to most of error in the middle of the list. Therefore, middle of list, poem and speech should be given in extra practice. 12th and the last tip is attach feeling and emotion. Attachment of feeling and emotion with an event enhance its retention. We hardly forget that is emotionally significant in our lives. Old people continue to recall their events of emotional significance even their short-term memory is grossly impaired. So that is all for today. If you are new here, then do not forget to like and subscribe our channel for such an amazing content. So I will catch you in the next video. Till that, take care.